Hello everyone, let's look at the new changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 26220.7535 in the dev and beta channels. So the company has resumed the Windows Insider program with a new preview build that introduces new improvements and visual changes. And here is what you need to know. Okay, first, the company is updating the Windows Spotlight icon, as you can see right here, with a new design that resembles the Photos app icon, complete with a notification style badge that makes it look like there is a problem or an alert, but nothing else has changed in this particular feature. Microsoft has also noted changes for the resume feature, but this only applies to developers because now the feature uses the Windows notification system rather than the link to Windows app. So it will make it easier for developers to use this feature. Also, administrators can now uninstall the Microsoft Copilot app via policy and using the group policy editor. This only applies for Windows 11 Enterprise, Pro, and Education. And finally, for Windows Narrator, Microsoft is updating the feature to generate image description with AI, which is now powered by Copilot, and this makes the feature available for all computers. Previously, image descriptions with AI was only limited to Copilot Plus PCs when using the Windows Narrator. It is important to note that until now, builds for version 25H2 to test features for version 25H2 were available in the dev and beta channels. But now, starting with build 26220.7535, the company is asking insiders to switch to the beta channel if they want to continue receiving improvements for version 25H2, because soon the company is going to switch the dev channel to a higher build number, and then it will not be possible to switch between channels. So if you want to switch channels right now, make sure to go to Windows Update in the Settings app, then go to the Windows Insider Program page, and from here, make sure to select the beta channel. Now, if you want to get previews for the next version of the operating system or for features that are planned for a higher release of the operating system, then you can continue in the beta channel. And finally, the company also noted some fixes for this particular preview regarding the Start menu, File Explorer, Print, Input, and Windows Update. And that's it. That is what's new in the first preview build that the company is rolling out to insiders in 2026. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.